Learning patience through gardening. In a world that wants everything instantly, a garden teaches us one life-changing truth. The most beautiful things take time to grow. Have you ever planted a seed and checked on it the very next day, hoping to see something happen? Most of us have. We live in a fast-paced world where we expect quick results. We can order food in minutes, stream movies instantly, and communicate with people across the globe in seconds. Waiting has become something we try to avoid. But nature doesn't work that way. A garden doesn't care about deadlines, notifications, or our desire for immediate success. It grows according to its own rhythm, and in doing so, it teaches us one of life's greatest lessons: patience. Today, we're exploring how gardening can transform not only the soil beneath our feet, but also the character within our hearts. The power of a tiny seed. Imagine holding a tiny seed in your hand. It doesn't look like much. It's small, dry, and seemingly lifeless. Yet hidden inside that seed is incredible potential. When we place it into the ground, we trust that something is happening, even though we can't see it. Isn't life often the same way? We work hard toward goals. We pray. We study. We save money. We build relationships. Yet sometimes it feels like nothing is happening. Gardening reminds us that growth often occurs beneath the surface long before it becomes visible. The roots form first, and roots require patience. One of the hardest parts of gardening is waiting. You water the soil, you remove weeds, you provide sunlight, and then you wait. There are no shortcuts. You can't force a tomato plant to produce fruit overnight. You can't demand that a flower bloom before it's ready. Nature teaches us that timing matters. Many of us become discouraged when our dreams don't happen quickly. We wonder if our efforts are wasted. We question whether our hard work will ever pay off. But a gardener understands something important. Just because you don't see results today doesn't mean growth isn't happening. The waiting season is not a wasted season. It's a growing season. Lessons from failure. Every gardener experiences disappointment. Sometimes seeds don't sprout. Sometimes storms damage plants. Sometimes insects attack crops. Sometimes an entire season doesn't go as planned. Yet gardeners keep planting. Why? Because they understand that failure is part of the process. Life works the same way. We all face setbacks. We lose opportunities. We make mistakes. We encounter unexpected challenges. The lesson isn't that failure won't happen. The lesson is that failure doesn't have to be the end. A gardener learns resilience. They learn to try again. And often, the next season produces an even greater harvest. Small daily efforts matter. One of the most beautiful things about gardening is that success comes from small, consistent actions. A little watering today, a little weeding tomorrow, a little care every day. Over time, those small actions create remarkable results. The same principle applies to our lives. Success rarely comes from one giant moment. Instead, it's built through small daily habits. Reading a few pages each day, exercising regularly, being kind to others, saving a little money, learning a new skill, praying faithfully. These simple actions may seem insignificant in the moment, but over time they create extraordinary growth. Gardening reminds us that consistency often matters more than speed. Trusting the process. Perhaps the greatest lesson gardening teaches is trust. When a seed disappears beneath the soil, it looks like nothing is happening. But the gardener trusts the process. They continue caring for the garden because they believe growth is coming. Life often asks us to do the same. Sometimes we're in seasons where answers seem delayed. Opportunities haven't arrived. Dreams feel distant. The future feels uncertain. Yet patience means continuing to believe, continue working, and continue growing even when results aren't immediately visible. Trusting the process isn't easy, but it's often where the greatest growth occurs. The reward of patience. Then one day, something amazing happens. A tiny green sprout breaks through the soil. A flower begins to bloom. Fruit appears on the vine. The harvest arrives. And suddenly, all the waiting feels worthwhile. The gardener realizes that every day of care mattered. Every moment of patience had a purpose. Life rewards patience in much the same way. The goals you pursue, the relationships you nurture, the skills you develop, the character you build. These things often take years, not days. But when the harvest comes, you'll realize the journey was shaping you all along. The garden within gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about growing ourselves. Every seed teaches hope. Every setback teaches resilience. Every waiting season teaches patience. Every harvest teaches gratitude. The garden becomes a mirror, reflecting the lessons we need most, and perhaps that's why so many people find peace while working in the soil, because nature reminds us that growth is a process, not an event. Conclusion. The next time you see a garden, remember this. Every flower was once a seed. Every harvest began with patience. Every beautiful thing required time. And so do you. If you're in a season of waiting, don't give up. If progress seems slow, keep going. If your dreams haven't bloomed yet, continue planting, watering, and believing. Because some of life's greatest blessings are growing beneath the surface, even when you can't see them. Just like a garden, your life grows one day at a time. Don't rush the process. Stay faithful in the waiting, trust the unseen growth, and remember that the seeds you nurture today may become tomorrow's greatest harvest. Patience isn't simply waiting, it's believing that something beautiful is still growing. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and may your garden and your life continue to bloom.